Welcome to Masakali Retreat, your luxurious sanctuary in Bali, where booking your unforgettable escape is as effortless as scanning the QR code appearing now or reading the description below. Just 12 kilometers from the heart of Bali's vibrant city center lies a haven of tranquility and modern comfort. Built in 2022, Masakali Retreat offers a boutique experience unlike any other, featuring just 5 exquisitely appointed rooms. Each sanctuary is meticulously designed to provide an atmosphere of serene relaxation, seamlessly blending contemporary elegance with the natural beauty that surrounds us. Imagine waking in your spacious suite, sunlight gently caressing the room, and savoring our complimentary breakfast before experiencing the day. Here, you'll discover a place where every detail is carefully considered, from the flexible check-in times beginning at 2 p.m. to the leisurely checkout by 11 a.m., allowing for a truly personalized experience. Families are warmly welcomed with open arms, with children aged 4 to 10 staying free of charge, making Masakali Retreat an ideal destination for those seeking a getaway with loved ones. Embrace the chance to unwind in our state-of-the-art spa, where skilled therapists will guide you through an array of rejuvenating treatments. Every guest benefits from our premium, complimentary Wi-Fi, and we also offer convenient on-site parking. Masakali Retreat promises an intimate, unforgettable Bali experience. Don't delay your journey. Scan the QR code now to book your stay and embark on an adventure of serenity and sophistication.